This video is a review of Takeda Pharmaceutical's fiscal year 2024 first half financial results. Takeda Pharmaceutical Company is the largest pharmaceutical company in Japan and one of the top global leaders in the pharmaceutical industry. Takeda specializes in research, development, manufacturing, and marketing of healthcare solutions. FY 2024 first half financial results. Takeda's fiscal year 2024 first half results were driven by the growth and launch of new products, sustained demand for Vyvanse, and the timing of research and development investments. Takeda uses two different metrics, reported base and core base, to evaluate its financial performance. Reported base metric represents the official financial results, as presented in Takeda's financial statements, which includes all revenues, expenses, and losses. Core base metric reflects the profitability from Takeda's regular operations. It adjusts for non-recurring and exceptional items to provide a clearer picture of underlying business performance. On reported base, revenue increased by 13.4% to 2,384 billion yen. Operating profit of 350.6 billion yen, up 194% year-on-year. On core base, revenue reached 2,384 billion yen, 5% increase, and core operating profit grew by 12.9% to 719.9 billion yen. On both reported and core bases, all revenue, profit, and earnings per share increased year-on-year. FY 2024, the first half core operating profit. Growth and newly launched products more than offset the impact of loss of exclusivity, includes Vyvanse, and benefited from the timing of research and development investments. Foreign exchange effects contributed an additional 55.3 billion yen year-on-year. As a result, first half core operating profit increased by 22.3% to 719.9 billion yen. Return to double-digit growth. Takeda achieved double-digit growth, driven by the U.S. launch of the Entyvio pen, with FY 2024 H1 sales growth reaching plus 10.7%, accelerating from plus 6.6% in FY 2023. Entyvio became available in the U.S. in both IV and SC administrations. IV, intravenous, means giving medicine directly into a vein, while SC, subcutaneous, means injecting it under the skin. For Entyvio, patients can choose either method based on their needs. U.S. revenue grew by 10%, supported by the Entyvio pen's flexible administration, strong efficacy, and safety profile, which increased prescriber adoption and patient awareness. European and Canadian revenue rose by 12%, benefiting from strong subcutaneous device adoption and reduced pricing pressures. Takeda remains confident in Entyvio's peak sales outlook of $7.5 to $9 billion, leveraging over 10 years of brand equity, life cycle management initiatives, and continued patient demand for both IV and SC options. Raising full-year FY 2024 forecast. The upgraded forecast was driven by strong product momentum, particularly from Vyvanse. Both reported and core base, revenue, operating profit, and earnings per share forecasts are revised upward. However, the full-year forecast for net profit and earnings per share is expected to decline compared to the previous year. Full-year dividend plan of 196 yen per share is also confirmed. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen-based chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 4,103 yen as of November 28th, and the US dollar stock price is $13.57 as of November 27th. Current PBR is 0.94 and PER is 95.6. Dividend yield is 4.78%. Compared to the last few years, PBR and dividend yield are about the same, but current PER is extremely high since earnings per share has been decreasing. Dividend amount for this fiscal year was increased to 196 yen, and dividend yield of 4.78% is pretty high, but dividend payout ratio is extremely high too. Takeda's dividend per share is more than earnings per share, which means paying out more than earnings for the fiscal year. Conclusion. Annual forecast was revised upward, and business performance is getting better. But consolidated net profit is forecasted to decrease this fiscal year. Due to the expiration of Vyvanse's patent in the United States, profits from Vyvanse are expected to decline significantly. Takeda's shareholder return is very proactive and continues to pay out high dividends. But for now, this is only reducing its equity capital, so it is essential to improve business performance in the future.